In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to get this app from this developer, Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on this gear at the top right one. Choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. And check out all of those options. When you finished, click on the bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Set Wallpaper. Then select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to apply mine to home screen only, so when I click and close my app, I can see that Magic Fluids was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!